In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on your Xbox so you can enjoy live sports and highlights directly on your console. Let's get started. To watch ESPN on your Xbox, start by downloading the ESPN app from the Microsoft Store. Open the app and select Sign In or Activate. You'll be prompted to enter an activation code. Next, visit espn.com/activate on a computer or mobile device. Log into your ESPN account, or create one if needed, and enter the activation code displayed on your Xbox screen. If you don't have ESPN Plus, subscribe to it or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your Xbox. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN Plus content directly on your console. For live TV, ensure your subscription includes ESPN through services like Hulu, plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN on your Xbox.